Jaden back with Rhino CCF content. So right now we're doing our eBay haul episode 14. Is it unboxing right? eBay haul unboxing episode 14, volume 4. So without further ado, let's just get into these packages and see what we have. We got a little bit of stand over here so that we can get a better focus shot of things. Homemade. Alright, so I'm not gonna struggle as much as I did last time. I'm just gonna get a little hold on. I was not. You bought nothing. Like, almost killed myself. Did you guys see that? I almost cut myself. Yeah. Alright. Guys, this is one of the things I'm super bad at doing. And I'm like trying so hard not to show any addresses. Sneak them down here. Alright, there we go. So, opening it. Okay, so before we get into this, because I have a good feeling I already know what this may be. So, it's just saying thank you, please leave feedback, and just shooting stuff.
Which we'll do.
So, which we will do, yeah. Alright, so, it's got taped and everything. I have no idea how these things work, so bear with me as we go on this journey, because we're both entering together. Why did? Who thought? Alright, we're just gonna have to kind of.
It's your nemesis.
It is my nemesis. Because this tape is very weak tape, so it's like it just rips off in strings, and then it's just like, okay, it's gotta be guys. Come on, radio on 7. I swear. See this? Enemy right there. Enemy of my enemy. Dudes, I got no long nails, guys, so bear with me here. This is seriously, you don't have long nails. Tape is the hassle, the struggle. Okay. I don't want us to get on the left. It looks like it's being used on this radio. Dude. Oh, yes, okay. Alright, guys, I think I got it. Here we go. Enter this journey with me. Okay, these look. Holy guacamole. Business. Oh no, this is the coin set that comes with the card about information about the coins I received. But oh my, okay.
This is a proof set.
So this is the United States Mint proof set. So I'm gonna place it here on our homemade. Dude, that is clean. Guys.
Okay, let me go ahead and get.
Is this when you get them checked and everything to check if they're legit?
Nope, this one's just a proof set. So this is. Okay, so this is the 1993 series proof set. Let's go ahead and get in. Look at that penny, just gorgeous.
Dude, that's clean. I have not seen that
nickel
coin in a little while.
Yeah, and you see how their heads, it's kind of like a cameo.
Yeah.
So that's a proof. And then they're all in the S series.
You want to check that?
All 1993. Look at that quarter shine. Wow, that is nice. Yeah, go ahead and if you'd like to go to flip it over.
Alright guys, I'm afraid to mess this up. This
Nope,
thing
you're
is,
good.
Clean. This is
No problem.
Look
Can
at
you
that.
turn it over the other way?
I'll
Just so
turn it
it's
over.
right side up.
How did I do that?
And this is why we have this little coin. Oh, look at that.
That logo at the top.
Wow. That is beautiful.
That is amazing.
All right. So we hope you enjoy. This is our first proof set, but one of many, many more to come in the future. So, all right, let's go ahead and get to item number 2.
All right, guys. I see barely any tape. I don't know if you got that or not. So do this down here. It's just that this is a lot easier to open, guys. I appreciate the easier version of this guy. So notes in there. All right. So let's go through probably another note saying thank you, please, great.
Of course.
Oh no, this is the bill and the order information about the bill. Okay, this is. Alright, so
Okay.
throw that down.
Go ahead and move that proof set, and then let's.
I'm afraid. I don't know why I'm so paranoid.
We'll put that one back in its case, and that's how we'll store it. I love that it comes with the information on
Alright,
that proof.
so start off with the front first.
Okay. All right, let's get in there.
Let's come over here and kind of
All right. Okay, so it looks like this is our first Morgan dollar, Jaden, and these are the big boys.
These are the big boys.
Coins to big boys and girl coins, excuse me, to go ahead and collect. Look at the strike on that thing. Look, you can read Liberty just clean. This is an 1891
Is this our oldest
Morgan.
coin?
I believe it is. All right, go ahead and flip that over.
Right.
And then let's take a look at the back so we can check its mint mark.
Kind of hold it down again.
All right, let me go ahead.
Push that back in there just a bit.
Yeah.
Go.
See if I can get a picture of that. Try and let go with your fingers if you can. Just let it sit there. Oh, there we go. Perfect. All right, let me see if I can zoom in a little more. There. And right now on the mint mark, it is an S, I believe. We take a look back there. I'll have Jaden verify that here in just a moment with the magnifying glass. But look at the strike on that. You can see all the feathers on the eagle, the arrows, the olive branch, the star, everything on that thing. And that is just in gorgeous shape. I was so excited to purchase this one because what I will be doing here soon is on a few of the select coins, I'm going to go ahead and send them off to get them rated because for the price that I'm picking these things up at and for the price that they can go for, we definitely want to build our collection with some high rated coins. So this is just beautiful. Jaden, grab that and grab the magnifier please, and then check the back for the mint mark underneath the eagle.
Eagle. This is weird. So we're looking for an S under the eagles, like under the arrows. This is the thing I struggle with.
Yeah, go ahead. So right underneath, right on the bottom.
Right on the bottom. Just gonna use the light. Mine's pretty good. So like under these leaves.
Yeah, let me.
Oh, okay, I think I see it. Yeah, that's an S. You can tell.
It is an S?
Yeah, it's an S.
Nice. Great. All right, guys, so go ahead and put that back up on there. Jaden will get one final shot of it.
Alright, and this is the one we're gonna have to pat down with the fingers.
Nice. There it is. Let me get a little zoom action in on it. That is gorgeous. Our first Morgan. Oh, 1891 S. Love it. All right, you guys, so we're going to go ahead and recap on that, and we're going to get into another eBay haul unboxing coming up. So everybody take care. We appreciate you watching.
Peace out.